What we're seeing with AI right now is the biggest shift since the internet in human history. And what's super crazy about it when it comes to artistic expression is the greatest artists in the world are no longer going to be the most talented in creating the art. The greatest artists in the world are going to be the most talented in communicating with AI to create the art. And my brother told me that 3 months ago and I didn't believe him, but after I discovered the Midjourney bot and ChatGPT, I am completely sold that we have opened a vortex to something we can never close again. This is alien right here. And so for those of you who are not familiar with Midjourney bot, essentially it's a Discord bot that will create any image of any description you give it. And when I saw it, one of the first thoughts I had was, what if I take the lyrics of one of my songs, input it into the bot, and allow the AI to create an entire music video for me based on every line of the song. And so I'm about to hop on the bot right now. I'm just gonna do my verse in this one song special because it's only like 40 seconds and it's gonna be able to show you guys a good idea of what it would look like. If I were to have done this without AI, this video would probably have costed me a couple $1,000s because I would have had to pay an artist to draw an entire picture for every single line in the song. Now I'm just using a bot that'll crank it out in like 20 seconds per line. You have to go line by line, so I'm gonna go ahead and start that up on this song Special, and I'm really interested to see what kind of images it produces. No, I don't need her, but I really wanna see her like no. I put her in my two-seater on the first day that I meet her, she say go. All right, so what my strategy is essentially is I go through and I enter all of the lines of the song all at the same time. So I'll just go line by line by line by line by line by line, and I'll go through my entire verse and just get all the lines at least in there. Because on the Midjourney bot, what it allows you to do is spits out 4 different variations of the image that you're giving it. And then from there, you can pick one of the image and have it spit out 4 more. You can have it redo the images. So really when it comes down to this type of thing, it's you designing it and you're just having the AI kind of help you out with the image of your head. That's what I was saying at the beginning of this video. That's why where artistry is going is gonna be so interesting, because it's literally going towards who can communicate with this alien technology that seems to be from another dimension the best. She move it and she make it 12. She my lover girl and she do anything for the... Something I want to note is I've found that can't really necessarily just put every single lyric exactly how it is in every single line. Sometimes you got to clarify it a little bit. Like I have a line you're going to hear in this song. It says, I put her in my two-seater on the first day that I meet her, she say go. And so what I did with that, I put her in my two-seater car. And now I'm going to get that image for the two-seater car instead of just saying like, oh, I put her in my two-seater and then expecting the AI to know what a two-seater is. It could literally be anything. I was trying to generate water skiing photos the other day. It literally painted the picture of 2 people water skiing behind no boat. The damn rope was just coming out of the water. It didn't make any sense. So when it comes to like this AI stuff, it's really important to realize it's how you communicate with it. And that's how you're gonna get that image in your head. Put the money right in the bank. Giving back to my city, keep it under wraps. Okay, so now that I've generated every line, I'm gonna go through with a fine comb and just keep refining and refining the images until each line is kind of close to how I'm picturing it in my head. I'm looking through the glass. I'm seeing what it really means by your life moving. Okay, so now I've gone through every quad of images I've generated, and I've created the variations of the ones that I've wanted to, and I've upscaled the images that have been great. And just a hint, it's a really good idea to save each image as the line that it's representing. Tripping on some bath salts, I got them shutting down just like last calls. I saw my whole future in a glass ball. Okay, so I have all the images now saved in the file, and I'm gonna go ahead and open up Final Cut, and this is the easy part. Just take all the images, then you put it in chronological order relative to your song. Then you just synchronize the image to the line that it's associated with. I'm gonna be putting the lyrics right below it. So right now I've been working on this for 43 minutes. This next part will probably take like 5 minutes, so here we go. Do you feel it? Do you feel it, girl? Do you feel it? Feel it, feel it, feel it, girl? The way we spinning, the living life, high fly, the way we winning, do you feel it, girl? Boom, and just like that, guys, the video is completely complete. I'm gonna go ahead and play this for you right now. And apologies if the audio sounds different right now. My microphone just died, so I had to switch it out. So without further ado, here's the song Special by Scotty Free. Music video created by Midjourney AI. No, I don't need her, but
none. I said that this was over, I said that this was done. I'm blasting to the sky cause I know that I'm the one. Knew it since 5 that I'd be the one who won. So I blast off, I'm going real quick like a fastball. Got 'em out here tripping, they're not tripping on some bath salts. I got 'em shutting down just like last calls. I saw my whole future in a glass ball. Want to be special.
Alright, I think this shit is so exciting. I haven't been this impressed with technology since Google Maps in 2007. I literally just had a computer create a music video specific to each line in my song. That is insane to me. If you are looking at this as on the business side, you can offer this to artists around the world to create, because it is a process. I'm actually gonna go ahead and complete this entire song because 2 of my friends are on it with the AI bot, and I'm gonna post that entire music video on my other channel, my music channel, Scotty Free. If you guys are interested in that, be sure to check that out in the description and pin comment below. I'll have another music video already there that's been generated by AI called Running Around. I'd recommend checking that out as well. This is way better than just having a song play with like a still image or like a visualizer that just loops for 5 seconds and isn't specific to your song. The fact that in under an hour I was able to create an entire music video with every line, basically having an image created specific to that line, which brings so much life into a song that was previously not there, is unbelievable, especially since we're fucking with a force that this shit is open. We're never closing this. Like, we're never closing this. And then remember, on the business side of things, you can sell this service easily. Say an artist wants to post like every song from his new album, but he wants that AI music video, you could charge him to do this for you. Yeah, you're not doing the art, but you're taking the time to put all the art together to generate the images and communicate with the AI to create the actual music video. So we're literally coming into a turning point in what's considered artistic talent right now. And this could be a whole nother video, but you gotta think about all the businesses you could sell this to. People who just want, you know, graphic design for an event coming up, or people who want graphic design for their social share image for all their links. The possibilities are literally endless with this, because as long as that AI is still active, there's endless possibilities. It'll endlessly create new images. I'm mind blown by this technology. Again, if you want to see the whole music video, check out that other channel I have, Scotty Free. I'll be posting a bunch of my music on there. I have like 40 songs already completed, so I figure I should get those out at some point. Welcome to the next chapter in humanity. Peace.
Put the money round in the bank, give it back to my city, keep it on